Hey, it's Ben. I have this tool-free shower chair. The company sent this over to me to review, so let's take a look. There's some plastic pieces and aluminum tubing, but all of the parts joined together with these hand twisting bolts, and there are instructions that come along with this to help. All right, so first we're going to take the seat, turn it upside down. So the one with the flattened side on the top, we're going to put that one in first. The one with the flattened side on the bottom, we're going to put that on second. Then we're going to take one of the shorter screws and screw that in. Okay, before we put these screws in, we need to put the L-shaped tube on top of the crossbars, and then we're going to fasten the screw all the way through both of them. Okay, so I finished tightening all 4 of these bolts. I'll caution you not to over-tighten the bolts, because I did notice that they start to poke through if you go too far. There's nothing to stop them. So if you over-tighten them, they will start to poke through the plastic. So watch for that. And then the final step is to put the backing on using the remaining 4 bolts. Not too difficult to assemble. Took maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so this chair is ergonomically designed for just greater comfort. It's made of high quality plastic and it's aluminum tubing. It has a backrest, a U-shaped seat pan. There are drainage holes on this. There are places to hold on to. The height can be adjusted. It does have non-slip feet. It's a very stable chair. It's easy to clean. It's just a very practical, solid shower chair for anyone who needs assistance while bathing. This is just a great product. I highly recommend it. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.